Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix your login error on Netflix. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Play Store app. This is going to be method 1 of 2 methods which I'm going to teach you will fix your login error. So make sure to stick for the next method. Now in this method, we're going to check if your app is updated or not. Once the home page of the Play Store app opens up on your screen, on the top of your screen you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the search bar, type in Netflix and hit the search button. After you hit the search button, the Netflix app will appear on your screen. And if your app is not updated, an update button will appear on your screen. So go ahead and click on that button. Once the application is completely updated and installed onto your device, an open button will appear on your screen. This will fix your login error on the Netflix app. If that method didn't work for you, don't worry, I have another method in store for you. Firstly, for this method, open up the settings menu on your phone. After you open the settings menu, scroll down and find the apps option and click on it. Once you click on the apps option, you'll be guided to another menu. Now on this menu, click on the manage apps option. After you click on the manage apps option, a search bar will appear on your screen. On that search bar, type in Netflix and click on the Netflix application. Once you click on the Netflix application, you'll be further guided to another page. Now on this page, on the bottom of your screen, you'll see the clear data option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the clear data option, another menu will pop up on your screen. On this menu, click on this clear cache option and then click on OK. This has just deleted all the excess files which you don't require on the Netflix app. This method will fix your login error on the Netflix app. If this method also didn't work for you, you can uninstall the app and install it again. I hope this video helps you to fix your login error on the Netflix app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.